Compare car insurance types with Rajai. There are 5 types of car insurance coverage in Thailand. If it's your first time buying car insurance in Thailand, understanding all the different coverage types can be overwhelming. So there are 5 types of voluntary car insurance in Thailand, plus the compulsory insurance coverage or Poror. We will compare car insurance type and explain the different coverage items in every motor insurance policy. Type 1 is the most comprehensive motor insurance type. And in order, then you have Type 2 Plus, Type 3 Plus, Type 2 and Type 3, being the leanest voluntary insurance coverage. The easiest way to compare this insurance type is to split the coverage into 3 categories. 1. Coverage for damages to your car. A Type 1 comprehensive insurance policy would include all of these coverage to your vehicle, while damages without another party and windscreen damages are excluded from any other type. Your car damages caused by an accident with another vehicle are also covered by Type 2 Plus and Type 3 Plus motor insurance policies, together with the towing service if the accident is so bad that you can't drive your car back. Theft and fire are included by Type 1 and Type 2 Plus and Type 2 insurance coverage, but excluded in the Type 3 Plus and Type 3 policies. Finally, Type 1 car insurance covers for all natural disasters, while Type 2 Plus only covers for flood damages. All other types exclude natural disaster, including flood. 2. Damages to others. This is actually the most important insurance coverage and protects you from the damages you do to others. That includes damages to other people's property, such as a car or house, but also injuries or, in extreme cases, death. Compulsory motor insurance includes bodily injury liability, but the coverage is limited. The Poror insurance doesn't include coverage for liability for property damages. That means if you crash your Mercedes-Benz and it's your fault, you will have to cover the steep repair cost of that vehicle. And 3. Other coverages. These are the additional coverages include all motor insurance types. The medical expenses item covers you and all the passengers for medical bills related expenses, including injuries caused by someone without or not enough insurance. Personal accident coverage protects you from risk to a person's health in the event of bodily injury, disability, or death that results from any minor or major accidents only. These exclude any pre-existing conditions, chronic diseases or illnesses, and bail bond coverage covers the bail bond costs, but hopefully you will not need it. And the amount is specified in the policy document with a minimum of 300,000 baht. Compare different car insurance coverage from Rajai. Car insurance coverage depends on the type of policy that you purchase, and in Thailand there are 5 voluntary insurance policies to choose from: Type 1, Type 2, Type 2 Plus, Type 3, and Type 3 Plus. Each policy offers a different level of coverage for several factors, and these can include damage to the vehicle as a result of collision with or without a third party, damage to the windscreen and car towing service, car theft, fire, and natural disasters, including flood, and liability for third-party property damage, bodily injuries, and loss of life. Additional coverage such as medical expenses, personal accident coverage, and coverage for bail bonds. Decide which policy is right for you by reading more about voluntary car insurance in Thailand. So what else to consider when you compare car insurance? When doing a car insurance comparison, some important factors to pay attention to are: 1. Low-cost premiums with high coverage. 2. Customizable plans based on the coverage you need. 3. Doesn't continuously raise your insurance premium. An insurance policy with Rajai will provide you with all of this, as well as continuous insurance coverage as specified in the policy. So where to compare car insurance quotes in Thailand? When looking for reliable insurance in Thailand, it is important to compare car insurance quotes based on the coverage you need. Selecting your car insurance policy can be a big decision. And if you need more information and would like to compare car insurance with other insurance on the market, Mr. Kumka allows you to compare 30 different insurance brands. What are the benefits of car insurance policy with Rujai compared to others? Check your car insurance quote online with Rujai. We offer low-cost premiums but with higher than average coverage. Rujai Car Insurance offer insurance Type 1, Type 2, Type 2 Plus, Type 3 or 3 Plus for you to choose from, based on the driving needs. You can customize your insurance plans by increasing coverage and adding additional services, such as 24/7 road assistance. We calculate premiums fairly based not only on the car, but also on the driver and their past experience on road. Our goal is to provide affordable insurance premiums with the highest protection and better service. That is why our customers love us with a high rating in terms of service reviews and claim reviews, and consider us the best car insurance in Thailand. Car insurance comparison FAQs. What is car insurance comparison? So, car insurance comparison is a consideration of 2 and more insurance coverages. Save your time and make decisions easier with help of the car insurance comparison tool to compare car insurance quotes from different insurance companies. Why compare car insurance? Purchasing compulsory car insurance is mandatory for every vehicle. Instead of Googling prices and advantages of every insurance separately all day long, just use a convenient tool where you can immediately choose the low-cost insurance policy that suits your needs. After answering a few questions, you can instantly get quotes from top companies and even buy insurance online. What does typical car insurance cover? Car insurance coverage depends on the type of policy that you purchase. In Thailand, there are 5 voluntary insurance policies to choose from: Type 1, Type 2, Type 2 Plus, Type 3 and Type 3 Plus. Each policy offers a different level of coverage for several factors, and these can include damage to the vehicle as a result of collision with or without third party, damage to the windscreen, car towing service, car theft, fire, natural disaster including flood, liability for third-party property damage, bodily injuries and loss of life. Additional coverage such as medical expenses, personal accident coverage, and coverage for bail bonds. Decide which policy is right for you by reading more about voluntary car insurance in Thailand. Why buy a voluntary car insurance policy? Voluntary car insurance is recommended to provide greater protection for yourself, your vehicle, and as well as others on the road. While Thailand does require compulsory motor insurance known as Poror, this mandatory car insurance only provides limited benefits by way of compensation for medical expenses, loss of vital organ, death, and permanent disability, and 20 days of compensation at 200 baht per day. With a voluntary car insurance, you can be confident that your vehicle, as well as yourself, your loved ones, and others involved in any unforeseen accidents are covered by a more comprehensive policy. Where to buy a car insurance with Rujai? You can buy your insurance policy online through our website. Call 025828855 to talk to our award-winning customer service or buy in person at one of our branches. How much does car insurance cost? The premium for car insurance varies based on the type of insurance you buy and the amount of coverage you require. Get your voluntary car insurance quote. Tips for comparing car insurance. Whether you own a car, lease a car, or drive someone else's car, car insurance is a must. However, you don't need to overpay too much for coverage you will not use. We would like to give you some tips for purchasing the premium that covers your needs, so you can live a worry-free life. 1. Consider your driving experience. Newbie drivers will get a higher price quotes due to lack of experience. Nevertheless, We recommend you to purchase the compulsory insurance along with a voluntary in order to get full coverage. 2. You can get a competitive quotes from mrkumka.com and compare the biggest companies in their premiums. And 3. Make follow-up phone calls to insurance companies to get additional information about coverage, or keep it simple and get a quote online from Rojai. 4. Remember, it's important to provide a trustworthy information in order to get covered in case of car accident. And 5. Review the policy before signing it and paying. Rojai Online Insurance is simple, affordable and reliable online insurance in Thailand. Get your insurance quote at www.rojai.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!